Welcome to English with Eleanor. So today we are going to have a look at some common expressions that use the word string. So first of all, let me show you what a string is. This is a string. We use it to attach two things together. So the first expression that I'm going to give you is the expression to pull strings. So if you pull strings, it means that you use influence, you use your power to get what you want. So for example, she only got her job because her aunt pulled strings at the company where she worked. The second one is no strings attached. So this means that there are no obligations associated with something. For example, we will give you a free trial for 30 days, no strings attached. The third one is to string somebody along. So this is whenever we are misleading or deceiving somebody over a period of time. For example, she thought the relationship was getting serious, but he was really just stringing her along. And the final one I'm going to give you today, which is a little bit of an infuriatingly vague response when we ask a question, is how long is a piece of string? So if you don't know how long something is going to take, you can answer this. How long is a piece of string? It means you don't know. So for example, if you ask me, how long will it take me to learn perfect English? Well, how long is a piece of string? That's up to you. Do you have anything similar in your language? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.